This is the easiest way to trade BTC and become profitable. In less than 7 minutes, I'm going to show to you one of the best secret strategies that I use to rake in profits every single day trading Bitcoin. Now, it's very simple and easy to execute. Stick around to the very end of this video so you don't miss out on any important thing I'm going to be saying. So right now, the very first thing I want to do is to come over here on Bitcoin. You know, I like trading my live charts. Come over here on Bitcoin, and we want to see a schematic like this. I'm going to show it to you right now. I want to see a schematic like this, uptrend, ranging market, sweep of liquidity sell side, and then back to the buy side. Want to see this schematic. Now, the moment we're able to determine and actually just get this schematic correctly, it's a win-win for you. All right, it's a what? It's a win-win for you. Now, listen, guys, this schematic you can see right here will make you tens of thousands, if not millions. All right, I've been making consistent profits from this particular setup. Now, I'm going to explain what this means. Now, it's very simple. The guys who move the market, they need liquidity to what? Move this market. Now, the first thing they need to do is to establish a trend. Talking about the institutions, the whales, or whatever you want to call them. They need to what? Establish a trend. Now, the moment they've established the trend, let's say this is the trend. The moment they've established an uptrend, they will seek to what? Shake out the scalpers away from the market. Those who are scalping the range. So they create a trend and try to what? Shake out those who will be buying from, who will be selling from here, buying here, selling here, buying here, selling here. They're going to what? Shake them out of the market. Now, this is what we call liquidity sweep. Now, within this range, right? Within this range are tons of stop losses. Stop losses are going to be what? Registered here. This is live, I'm showing you. Stop losses are going to be what? Registered here. So we have a pool of stop losses here that needs to be swept. All right, that needs to be what? Swept. I have a pool of stop losses there that obviously needs to be swept. Now, do you know what the market is going to do? It's going to come down, collect all these stop losses, because so many people will think this is a what? Double bottom, retail traders. So price will what? Sweep them out. And those who are what? Thinking this is a what? Double top or triple top or whatever it is you want to call it, it will sweep them out as well. Now, this strategy is called a double liquidity sweep. It's called a double liquidity. It's called a double liquidity sweep because we are sweeping from the sell side and the buy side. The bottom here is the sell side. The top here is the buy side liquidity. All right, we're sweeping from both sides. Now, isn't this very interesting that we're sweeping from both sides? Now, because we're sweeping from both sides, when price goes up and breaks structure, it will usually come down again to fill up some orders before taking flight to the upside. Now, using this schematic now, let me remove this. Let me just take this out completely. Now, guys, using this same schematic, as you can rightly see here, Bitcoin is going to do something very amazing, right? It's going to do something very, very, very amazing. Now, what is it going to do? Now, listen up real quick. Look at the range. Plot your range. I'm sure you've plotted your range. and then see what price is doing. Remember, we're already bullish on BTC. Already bullish on BTC, because if you check the 4-hour time frame, we're bullish. Can you see? We're actually bullish. So going back to that schematic that we saw just now, going back to that, you can vividly see that price wants to what? Come back to this area. Price wants to come back to this area before bouncing back up again. All right, that's what price is most likely going to do. That's what price is most likely what? Going to do. All right, and I can tell you for a fact that price will likely come down here, retrace about 50% from Fibonacci to come back to this zone, come back somewhere around here before going up again, before what? Moving to the upside. So now we want to check, is there any fair value gap around here? Let's check. Is there a fair value gap? Oh yes, there is a fair value gap here. The fair value gap right there. There is another fair value gap somewhere around here. All right, there's another fair value gap somewhere around that region. Right? So guys, basically this is just how to what? Move around the market. Now, when you do this, you're anticipating that price will come back to this range, anticipating that price will come back here, fill up orders, or come back here, fill up orders, and then continue the what? Original trend. Now, this will only work in an uptrend. Don't do this market, don't do this trading technique or strategy in a downtrend. Wait for sell side to be swept, which is at the bottom here. Wait for this bottom to be swept first, and wait for the top range to be swept. All right, that's basically just how to find your way around this schematic. That is the only way to do what? Find your way around it. Easy peasy. All right. So guys, I know a lot of you have been asking me, MJ, do you have a VIP group? Obviously, there's a VIP group. You can send a DM right in the description of this video to join in and start getting your signals ASAP, guys. All right. So basically, that's just basically the way it works. It's clear and simple. All right, one love, peace out, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Share this video with your friends, colleagues at work, family members, and everyone that thinks it needs to be profitable in the trading space, right? Just share this video with them. The link for BitUnix is going to be in the description of this video. BitUnix is a crypto exchange where you can just easily buy your crypto without stress, and you can continue to use it without KYC. It's safe, reliable, and secure. Everything is going to be in the description of this video. One love, guys. Peace out.